Huzzah! 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 Huzz! Bah!
Hey guys, today we got Elder Furnace. Let's place him down. Whoops, wrong way. 8, let's hear him out. I'ma go make waffles.
He's eating the waffles right now.
Those waffles were tasty. But what's taking so long, Furnace? Finally! Yo, wait, this hits hard. Okay, is that it though? Oh, great, the terrible vocalist is singing now. 10 out of 10. 8, that's all for today's video. Like and subscribe or something, I don't know. Anyways, bye.
Guys, I don't know what 2, 3, 4 is.